Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use split screen on Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open a app. Now to use split screen, click on this recent icon and after that click on this three dot more icon on the app. Now from here click on split screen and open the second app you want to use. So now you can see the split screen is turned on. You can also increase or decrease the size of one app. And there is another way to use the split screen is just open one app and after opening the app swipe up with your three fingers. And after that open another app and now you can see the split screen is turned on. So that's how you can use split screen in your Oneplus mobile. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.